Hello, I'm Nick. If you're already a trainer or coach in your organisation, you might want to become a certified trainer of Continue and Begin Fast Coaching through our Train the Trainer program. Continue and Begin is well established in the commercial world, in the public sector, and increasingly in voluntary and community agencies. Being a certified trainer means you get to deliver the Continue and Begin Fast Coaching model the way it was intended. You'll be trained by myself, the creator of Continue and Begin, or with help from our team of master trainers. Train the Trainer events are run usually over 3 days. On day 1, we deliver the Continue and Begin Fast Coaching Training Day in your organisation with you as a delegate and with a difference. My colleagues and I swap from trainer to consultant mode as we deliver and then explain why each part of the day is delivered the way it is. You'll get plenty of opportunities to ask questions, and we'll be around all evening at our venue to answer those questions important to you. At the end of day 1, you'll be preparing to deliver parts of Continue and Begin the following day. We'll help you do this really well. We'll provide you with detailed trainer delivery notes, and you'll also receive a fabulous link to clips of me delivering Continue and Begin from a live event. The films are broken down into short, digestible chapters, each illustrating a key part of the day. You simply click on the part of the day you want to study and refresh your memory. On day 2, you get the opportunity to understand the underpinning principles behind Continue and Begin. You'll learn why the language patterns and materials are structured the way they are. You'll also have opportunity to practice delivering key parts of the training program in a safe environment. You'll be working in a small syndicate group supported by myself or a Continue and Begin master trainer. We work through sections of the trainer delivery notes at your pace and in your preferred learning style. At the end of day 2, you'll have enough experience and support in place to deliver your own Continue and Begin Fast Coaching Skills Day to colleagues in your organisation. Day 3 of the Train the Trainer program is an optional service for trainers who wish to be authorised as a certified trainer by Continue and Begin Limited, and specifically myself, the creator of Continue and Begin Fast Coaching. We know that knowing what to do is not the same as doing what you know. So we offer you one-to-one personal coaching, face-to-face on your first delivery session. And we'll be with you as you deliver Continue and Begin to a training group for the first time. And we'll be on hand to offer moral support. If necessary, we'll even give you a gentle steer in the right direction, if it's needed. We'll help with reviews during the day, during breaks in the action, and you'll enjoy an in-depth review at the end of your delivery day and a detailed assessment report, celebrating your successes and providing specific guidance on how to make your delivery even more elegant. Subject to your request, we can film you in action and give you the uncut footage for you to review at your leisure. And incidentally, all of this day 3 activity is one-to-one support. Now, don't worry if you're not quite ready. We can agree a follow-up date to sit alongside you again. We also offer additional telephone and email guidance sessions to add further support. And what's more, telephone and email guidance is provided completely free of charge for an agreed period when the Train the Trainer program is commissioned. And there's even more support for you on your first delivery session, because included in your Continue and Begin Certified Trainer program is a delivery pack with virtually everything you need for your first session. We'll supply you or your employing organisation with the trainer notes, electronic copies of the Continue and Begin Fast Coaching workbook and the support documents, so you can adapt and brand the materials to the precise requirements of your organisation. And this is all included in the Train the Trainer fee. Once both parties are confident you can deliver Continue and Begin as designed, we'll issue you your certificate and we'll register you as a certified trainer of Continue and Begin fast coaching within your organisation. And then, well, you can get on and train your colleagues to use Continue and Begin to develop their team members, to help them feel good about their successes, and then to do some things differently, or maybe even better. If you or your organisation would like to deliver your own in-house Continue and Begin fast coaching training programs, contact me directly and we'll arrange a certified trainer program tailored to your world.